Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how I basically style my hair in 5 minutes. I recently cut it and also add volume right on the top here on the crown and just smoothen the mid-lengths to ends. So yes, let's get started. So currently these are the shampoos and conditioners that I'm using. For serum, I'm going to be using the Moroccan oil serum. I take 2 pumps of this and then just heat it in my palms. I apply it to my mid-lengths to ends and I concentrate applying more towards the ends of my hair. Then I'm also using the Moroccan oil heat protecting spray before I use any heat on my hair. This also protects the color and makes it look more vibrant. So I spray this all over my hair, concentrating more again towards the ends. The dryer that I'm using is by Iconic. I'm going to list all of the products with the links in the description box. Then take your blow dryer, keep it on medium to high heat. If your hair is breaking and is weak, I suggest you guys just keep it on medium heat and don't put it on full heat. And then take a medium-sized round brush like this. What I usually do is to add volume. I take my brush and I try to lift my hair from the roots, especially on the top and sides. So if you see, I am using my brush and I'm lifting my hair from the roots and blow drying it also at the same time. This way, when your hair is pulled out gently from your roots towards the other side, it adds a lot of volume on the top. Do not be very hard or harsh on your hair when you're trying to pull it from the roots. Go very gently but try lifting your hair. The whole point is to lift your hair from the roots to add the volume on the top and sides. I just do this about 2 or 3 times till my hair is completely dry and I like the volume that I have achieved. And then what I do is I take medium-sized sections, use the same round brush. Here you can also use a flat brush if you like. I take the round brush and with the dryer I just smoothen it from my mid-lengths to ends. So my hair is naturally quite straight, so I don't have to take very fine sections and straighten it out. Here I'm just trying to smoothen my mid-lengths to ends, so I'm going to take medium sections and then just use the round brush and smoothen my hair out. And that's it, you guys. That's how I blow dry my hair every time I wash it. I don't spend too much time in straightening it or smoothing it. This takes me about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. And I really like how it adds a lot of volume and body on the top of my head, and this honestly lasts me about 1 to 2 days till I wash my hair again. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so you get a pop-up every time I release a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!